Today we discuss about the types of water which include in the SYBSC syllabus. We are many times asked what kind of water should I drink? Is my water filter sufficient? Is tap water okay? Should I drink only alkaline water? This issue has become increasingly complex. It took months of figure out what kind of water filtration system to buy and what kind of water to drink. What so on which we study the first water type, that is the surface water. Surface water are the rivers, lakes, ponds, the mews, oceans and other bodies of water. 97% of them are salt water, seas and oceans. Only 3% is the fresh water. Surface water is following also share and solid. Water pollution class first, existence of the salmonids, drinking water. These water used in the pharmaceuticals and the food industries. Class 2, existence of the water fish used in the recreation and the water sports. Class 3, supply of the industrial parts, irrigation of the agricultural and the land, unclassified sludge. Next water type is the groundwater. Groundwater, water underground part of the hydrosphere. This subsoil water, deep water and the groundwater. From these we draw groundwater for drinking, which is found on the regiments in the store. Next is the store water, water which can be stored in the atmosphere, on the surface of the earth or the groundwater or the underground. These water storage areas are mostly commonly known as the reservoirs. Natural reservoirs include the oceans, glaciers and other bodies of ice, groundwater, lakes, soil moisture, wetlands, living organisms, the atmosphere and the rivers. Next is the distilled water. Distilled water has gone through a rigorous, that is a hard filtration process to band of color is not only the contaminants but any natural minerals are as well. When water is distilled by boiling, it can condensing the it all solid material is left except the chemical that were in the water. Many industry distillers have the methods to capture these substances to prevent them from the remaining in the water. For this reason, find that industry distilled water is the best. Next is the mineral water. Mineral water contains no less than 250 parts per million total dissolved mineral solid, and it is defined by the constant level of the minerals and the trace elements of the point of the emergence from the source. Mineral water is used in every house and every hotel. Mineral is used more in the hospitals. Next is the demineralized water. Demineralized water is more economical means of the water purification and simply refers to any water that has undergone a process to remove the minerals and the salts from the water. This type of water is used in the applications where water with the low salt content or the low conductivity is required. Demineralized water is made by passing the water through the specially manufactured resins. The resin is designated to exchange ions in the water so that the final result leaves you with the chemical composition of the pure water. While demineralized water is virtually free from the mineral and the related substances, there can be very tiny amounts of the dissolved mineral that will always remain. However, the advancements of technology for the demineralization ensure that end result is very high quality water. So we next study the airborne infection. Water Waterborne infections is a waterborne illness is caused by the recreational or the drinking water contaminants by disease causing the microbes or the pathogens or not. Many waterborne pathogens can also be acquired by the consuming the contaminant food or the beverages from contact with the animal or their environment or through the person to person spread. Next is the symptoms of the waterborne infections. Waterborne illness can be cause a variety of symptoms, while the diarrhea and the vomiting are the most commonly reported symptoms of the waterborne illness. Other symptoms can be include skin, ear, respiratory or the eye problems. So next is examples of the waterborne illness. Commonly recognized waterborne infections are cryptes, cryptosporidiasis, cyclosporidiasis, E. coli, gardiasis, harmful algal blooms or the hot turn rash. So these are the examples of the waterborne infections. Thank you.